How to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. Alright, let's begin. To address the issue of the Facebook Marketplace option not appearing in the shortcut bar, follow these steps. Firstly, ensure that your Facebook app is up to date. Once updated, navigate to the app info section. On most devices, you can do this by accessing the settings, locating the Facebook app, and selecting App Info. From there, click on Storage. Within the storage settings, clear the cache specifically for the Facebook app. This helps ensure that any potential issues related to cache data are resolved. After clearing the cache, return to the main page of the Facebook app. Next, click on the three horizontal lines located on the top right corner of your Facebook page. Navigate to Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. Scroll down until you find the navigation bar option. Click on it and further select Customize the bar. Take a screenshot of this customized bar page for reference. Return to the previous screen and click on Help and Support. Within the support options, select Report a Problem. Click on Include, and then scroll down to find and click on Marketplace. Describe the issue you're facing in the provided text box. For example, you can write, "Hey Facebook team, my Facebook account's Marketplace option is not showing in the shortcut bar, but I would like to have this option. Please assist me in resolving this issue as soon as possible. Thank you." Don't forget to attach the screenshot of the customized bar page. Finally, click on Send Report and patiently wait for 24 hours. The Facebook support team will review your report and work towards resolving the issue with the Marketplace option on your account. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.